Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and today I will tell you what to do if your ClearStar background check has failed. ClearStar is a company specializing in providing background check services for corporate clients and private individuals. The main activity of the company includes a comprehensive investigation of candidates' background data, which helps employers make informed hiring decisions. ClearStar background checks cover the verification of criminal history, employment history, education, and other important aspects that can influence the hiring decision. Using ClearStar services for background checks is crucial for ensuring the safety and integrity of the workplace. It not only contributes to the selection of honest employees, but also protects the company from potential legal risks and financial losses associated with improper hiring. The importance of these checks is enhanced in light of growing compliance requirements and the need to adhere to all regulatory and legislative norms in the hiring process. How long does a ClearStar background check take? Key aspects. Based on ClearStar data, we illuminate the key factors and timelines that set the pace for the background check of candidates. Depth of analysis and waiting time. Basic check includes analysis of criminal past and verification of previous employment details. Standard times, from 1 to 3 days. Extended check, comprehensive work involving the analysis of educational documents, credit history, and other complex aspects. Estimated times, up to 5 to 7 days. Potential delays. Some checks require interaction with external organizations to obtain permissions or confirm data, which can lead to unplanned delays. It's important to consider these moments when planning hiring processes. Priority of accuracy over speed. It's important to emphasize that the quality and completeness of the collected information are significantly more important than the speed of its receipt. A thoroughly conducted background check is the guarantee of safety and reliability of your future workplace, as well as contributes to the formation of a qualified and reliable team. Planning and communication. Understanding the timeframes of ClearStar checks allows candidates and employers to effectively plan their actions and expectations. Employers are advised to inform candidates in advance about upcoming checks and possible timelines, which helps maintain transparency and trust in the hiring process. Step-by-step guide to independently solving problems related to ClearStar background. In the process of applying for a job or in other situations where a background check through ClearStar is required, various problems or delays may arise. To minimize the likelihood of problems and speed up the check process, it's important to follow specific recommendations. Here is a step-by-step guide that will help you independently resolve issues related to ClearStar background. Prepare the necessary documentation in advance. Before starting the background check process, make sure you have all the necessary documents. These can be documents confirming your identity, education, employment history, and other important aspects. Preparing in advance will help avoid delays in the information gathering stage. Check your social networks and public records. ClearStar background may include checking information available in open sources, including social networks. Make sure your public information does not contain data that could negatively affect the check result. Familiarize yourself with the rights provided by FCRA. Knowing your rights according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, can help in case of problems with ClearStar BC. If you find errors in the report, you have the right to dispute them and request information correction. Seek professional help if necessary. If you encounter problems that you cannot solve on your own, or if you have questions regarding the ClearStar background check process, do not hesitate to seek professional help. Legal consultations can be useful in complex cases. Monitor the status of your check. Be in touch with the employer or organization that initiated the background check. Receiving up-to-date information about the status of your check will help you better understand the current situation and take the necessary steps in case of delays or problems. Following these recommendations, you can minimize potential problems related to ClearStar background and ensure a smoother and quicker process. Remember, prior preparation and awareness are key to successfully resolving any issues. Real examples of problems related to errors in ClearStar background checks. To better understand the scale of the problem, let's consider several real examples when errors in background checks led to negative consequences for the involved parties. Error in criminal history. Liam, a candidate for a sales manager position, faced an incorrectly attributed criminal charge in his check. This charge actually belonged to another person with a similar name and date of birth. Because of this error, Liam was unable to get the job he was applying for, leading to months of delays in employment and the need to prove his innocence. Incorrect information about education. Olivia, a university graduate with honors, found that her ClearStar was missing information about her higher education. This error occurred due to a failure in the data exchange system between ClearStar and the educational institution. As a result, Olivia had to provide the confirming documents herself, which delayed the hiring process. Incorrect data about past employment. Noah, looking for an engineering job, faced a problem when his background check erroneously indicated that he was fired from his previous job for disciplinary violations. In fact, Noah left voluntarily, and he had good references from his previous employer. This error cost him several potential job offers until he was able to dispute and correct the incorrect information. Problems with credit history check. Emma, a candidate for a position in the financial sector, faced an error in her background check, where an incorrect credit rating was indicated. This was caused by a mix-up of her financial data with that of another person. Emma had to conduct lengthy negotiations with credit agencies to correct the error, complicating her employment opportunities. Misunderstandings related to licenses and certificates. Oliver, a security specialist, discovered that his background check did not reflect the presence of valid licenses and certificates necessary for performing his professional duties. The omission of this data led to a refusal to hire him for the specialty he applied for. Oliver had to take additional steps to confirm his qualifications by presenting the original documents to the employer, which caused delays in the hiring process and added stress. These examples highlight the importance of accuracy and reliability of information provided in ClearStar checks. Errors can have far-reaching consequences for the careers of candidates and the reputation of employers. It is important for all parties in the employment process to be aware of potential risks and actively act to prevent or correct errors in background checks. Your reliable defender against errors in ClearStar background checks. Our law firm offers unique advantages for clients facing problems as a result of errors in ClearStar BC. Thanks to a deep understanding of the FCRA law and specialization in consumer rights protection, we provide our services without charging. The client payment is made by the party against which the case is brought. Our approach not only ensures the protection of your interests without financial costs to you, but is also supported by successful work experience, including hundreds of satisfied clients and multimillion-dollar compensations. Turning to us is your chance to restore justice and receive compensation for errors in background checks that significantly affect your career and life. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.